4,631 stranded passengers at medyo malaki po ang nakikita po natin sa area po ng Matmagpon.
Coast Guard Captain Naomi Cabiab says 9,000 personnel and assets have been deployed across 65 ports for safety inspections and crowd management. Pagasa has advised affected communities to stay vigilant as Wilma crosses the Visayas. The Weather Bureau says it may weaken into a low-pressure area, but it will continue to dump rains.
Kahit po ito ay mag-isang low-pressure area na lamang, aasahan pa rin po natin yung mga malalakas na mga pag-ulan sa mga susunod na araw at doon din sa shear line, isang iral pa rin naman po hanggang early next week.
Wilma is expected to cross the Visayas through Sunday and reach northern Palawan by early Monday, before exiting the Philippine Area of Responsibility on Tuesday. But with 100 to 200 millimeters of rain expected in several provinces, residents are advised to stay alert for floods and landslides. Francis Orso, ABS-CBN News.
Anong trabaho niya? Ano siya real estate siya, tapos naging negosyo. So sabi niya sa akin, sure ka na ba na yan yung gusto mo? Oo. Pero kasi ang real estate, hindi siya lagi yung maging ahente ka, hindi lagi. So minsan, okay ka after, yung next na benta mo, baka after a year or two, depende na lang, tambahan din yan eh. So, ginawa ko, sige, kahit ko na lang kung bumalik ulit ng US. Sabi ko, sige, okay na lahat. So, very decisive na ako na